are zodiac constellations found along the ecliptic. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a bright band stretching across the stars. That band is called the ecliptic, and it plays a big role in how we understand the sky. Now, have you ever wondered if the familiar zodiac constellations are part of this path? Well, the answer is yes. The zodiac constellations are specifically those that lie along the ecliptic, which is the apparent route the sun appears to follow across the sky over the course of a year. This path forms a narrow band in the sky, and the sun seems to move through these 12 constellations during the year. To understand this better, think of the ecliptic as the plane of Earth's orbit around the sun projected onto the sky. Because Earth orbits the sun in a flat plane, the sun appears to move along this path in the sky. Since the planets in our solar system orbit close to this same plane, they also appear near the ecliptic. The moon's orbit is tilted only slightly relative to the ecliptic, so it also moves close to this band. This is why the planets and the moon are often seen along the same line in the sky as the zodiac constellations. Ancient cultures divided this band into 12 sections, each linked to a zodiac sign. These signs are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Interestingly, the sun spends different amounts of time in each constellation because their sizes vary. There is also a 13th constellation called Ophiuchus, which the ecliptic passes through, but it is not part of the traditional zodiac. Knowing that the zodiac constellations are along the ecliptic helps astronomers and stargazers predict where the sun, moon, and planets will be in the sky on any given day. This knowledge is also the basis for our calendar system and the changing seasons. For example, the start of the zodiac year roughly coincides with the beginning of spring or fall, depending on your hemisphere. So, in simple terms, yes, the zodiac constellations are found along the ecliptic. They form the backdrop for the sun's journey across the sky and are closely tied to the movements of the planets and the moon. This connection between the ecliptic and the zodiac is a fundamental part of how we understand the sky and our place in the universe.